right now. I am off to a grandmother, a nurse by profession, and a proud digital business owner. So today, I have a beautiful guest. She is Jed Lopez, and she is a kind-hearted lady. Can you please introduce yourself and your background, please?
Hello, everybody. Hello po, Tita Angie. First and foremost, thank you so much for inviting me po to be one of your guests sa inyong live interviews. It's definitely a pleasure. Um, Ako po pala si Jed, and yes, I am a proud digital business owner as well. I'm a mentor, and I am originally from the Philippines and been residing in UAE for the last 18 years. Huwag nyo nang anuhin yung edad. Huwag na tayo mag-calculate ng edad. Yes, it's been 18 years since I flew in here. Nagbaka sakali. And so right now I am a restaurateur. I own and manage my own restaurant here dito rin lang po sa Fujairah. And that's where actually my after my 15 years corporate grind, I decided to venture into restaurant business. Why? Because I have a passion in cooking and like food designs and baking, all passion. I did not
Love.
study anything about the restaurant business. It's just our passion, and I just have a strong belief that if you have a passion, just go and pursue it. If you have a chance, just go for it. So kaya I ventured into this business. And yeah, beside this, I am also a digital business owner. So yeah, it works for me. I am doing both these businesses all at once. Ayun po.
Okay. Thank you very much for sharing your background, and you're a multi-talented lady. Yeah, so now I have some questions for you about our business. And the first one is how did you come to know this business, and why did you venture into this business?
Okay. Um, I am still quite new, if I can say that. I just joined last year, late last year, and I was actually looking for something that will work for me. With my busy schedule as as restaurateur, I still need to find something to supplement my income because see, if you have left your previous job that rewards you with enough, more than enough to sustain your life, your family, support your family, okay na sana eh. But the thing is, I ventured into a business, and having a business, of course, there's no guarantee. There are ups and downs, and it's not all rainbows. So kailangan meron tayong backup plan. So I was looking for a backup plan, and it was actually like an answered prayer because it's been like more than a week po. I've been contemplating if I'm gonna go back to my old work.
Yeah.
But that is so I have to be 100% there eh. My responsibility back in my old company, I can go back actually anytime. The position is still there. I left it. So, and they kept it there because I might come back. So, I'm so thankful po sa aking company that uh, they offered me anytime I can go back. But the thing
That,
is, that responsibility is very crucial because it's operation. It's a
yeah.
manufacturing industry. I have to do the planning. I have to run the factory. So that is something na hindi mo siya pwedeng 50-50 ka lang, 50% lang
Yeah.
bibigay mo. So no, I cannot do that. And as a person na medyo ano rin po sa work, I know that if I take that job again, I might compromise the other. business. So 1 week I was like, really, should I or should I not? But I really have to find something. Ayun nga po, I saw this, it's not an ad, but it's just a normal post of my mentor, my mentor now. And
Right.
uh, I was a little bit intrigued. I've been seeing it, but I never paid attention so much about it because I'm not into digital or online works before. And I
Yeah.
never tried. I never tried po. I don't have any experience or whatsoever. So, but one time po, we hosted their farewell dinner sa resto because we have like, there is a connection. My husband's boss is actually the husband of my mentor. So there is like, there
Mm.
is already a connection. So they've been visiting the resto for quite a while, and yeah, we hosted the dinner. And that's the time na na-realize ko when we were talking. So, personally po yun. I remember, hey, what is that business I've been saying to your sockmate? So she just told me, if you're interested, just sign up and you will see the information. So, I did sign up.
Yeah.
Ayun na po yun. And when I saw it, ayun na siya. Talagang inaral ko rin. And I know that that is the one that I'm looking for. So I really considered it as answered prayer. So I don't have to go back to my old work. And eto na,
Yeah.
happy na.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very, yeah. It's really, yeah. If you are in the corporate world, it's really hard. You have to put all your effort and
Yes,
more
opo. You have
time.
to be
Yes.
effective. Effective
Yeah.
kasi.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So I have another question. What are the obstacles you had experienced when you just started this online business?
Obstacles, or I can maybe consider challenges po.
Yeah.
Because I'll just consider challenges kasi the time. So I have like a full-time responsibility sa resto, and I still have to make time for this business. And when you are starting up, you really have to put some extra time
Yeah.
para ma-build up yung business or yung system for you. Kailangan you have to learn the system, di ba po? So that it will be easy for you. So yun yung challenge because I have to really do it um in between. So what I do while I'm having my cup of coffee in the morning, simula na po ako. I will start my thing, the computer, the training, blah blah blah, and then lunch again. While I'm having lunch, I am watching this. I'm doing multitasking. Literally, like everyday multitasking po ang ginagawa ko, and it worked. It helped me, and it helped me to speed up the process. Yung pag-build up po ng ano ko ng business, it really helped me. So para sa akin is time is really challenging, but if you put your mind and your heart to it, you can find a way. You can find a way para mag-work.
Yeah. Yeah. So
So yun.
yeah, so it's very important. Time management. Yes.
Tama.
Yeah. Yeah. So another one. Yeah. In your own opinion, how important the 90 minutes webinar that we must watch?
Very important. Okay, so let's say I will talk to our viewers po. Um, this is your first time to sign up, and you will see that the video is 90 minutes long. Okay, it is. There are two components in that video. The first hour would be the business presentation, and the remaining time would be the testimonials from the real people who are already in the business, and they've been harvesting all the fruits of their hard work from the when they started and joined the business. So that is just to inspire. But mainly, if you have the patience, para sa akin po, if you have the patience to watch the 90-minute video and really absorb it, then this business is for you. because this business is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires time, it requires, you have to grow it slowly. Hindi siya ganun agad. Hindi siya boom, boom, ayun na. No. So, if you have the patience to watch the 90-minute video, yun yung kailangan natin for you to make this business work for you. Kasi pag wala kang patience, meron po tayong mga na-experience, in all honesty, nahahabaan sa 90. Ang gusto nila summary. No, it's not like that. There
Yes.
is no summary to run a business or to build your own business. May mga pointers, but if you really want to be your own boss, you have to give time at hindi lang 90 minutes. It won't just take you 90 minutes to be your own boss. So,
Yeah.
kaya kailangan, you have to be patient. If you have that characteristics and attribute, then this is for you. So, ganun siya ka-importante para sa
Yeah.
akin.
Yeah. Yeah. As you say, yes, you can watch that webinar. Maybe not if you don't have the 90-minute time to in one day in one go. You can watch it
Mm.
2 days or 3 days. So thank you very much for your insight about that answer our question. And then lastly, what are the challenges? What are the changes? Sorry, what are the changes you are getting now, or benefits you are getting now since you started this business?
Changes. Okay, changes.
Yeah.
Una po is actually on my mental, mental, ano ba to? Mental well-being, I can say. Because, syempre po, to be honest, running your own business, a traditional one is really tough. So you have all that stresses will come to you all together na lahat nasa brain mo na, hindi mo na alam kung paano gagawin sa mga bagay-bagay. And the first thing I learned in this business po is the right mindset. So with that right mindset, I was guided really. Now I know my goal. I know where I have to go. I know what I have to do. So, para kung kahit merong mga challenges man na dumating dyan, it's fine. I can overcome it because I have the right mindset na eh. So that is one of the biggest changes po na na-enjoy ko ngayon is because I have a peace of mind now. I am more relaxed when it comes to, I am still running the business, but having that clear goal and mindset in both, it gives me a really balance, balance way of thinking. Hindi na siya hindi na siya stressful. So isa po 'yon. And then of course, in a very short period of time, I am just lucky enough to be blessed with uh, few few teammates already in a very short period of time. Of course, I am already gaining many things, earning. So magagawa mo ba yun if you did not took that leap of faith, if you did not venture into the thing that into something that you didn't know? Hindi talaga hindi niyo masusubukan, hindi niyo malalaman eh unless you really tried and just believe na
Yeah.
magagawa naman, na kaya naman. Basta you want it. Kaya ayun. Ayun po, yung mga two changes, ayun, okay na po.
Yeah. You're really amazing. Yeah. Having your own traditional business and online business, I can imagine how busy you are, but you still manage the two of them. So thank you so much. Um, Thank you for sharing all your experience and insights. And before we end this go live, do you want to say something to those who are watching now or maybe watch later the replay?
Oh yes, of course. But yes, first of all, thank you so much for to everyone who's joined us today and those who's gonna play the or watch the replay. Maraming salamat po in advance. Okay, and yes, you are watching this because you got curious and you found something valuable in our business. So serve that curiosity. Um, you will lose you won't lose anything, but you will gain more if you just sign up. It's free. It's free sign up, so you can watch our webinar whenever you are free, whenever convenient for you. So kapag medyo naboboard ka, instead of just browsing all through your feeds again and again, why don't just watch one webinar and see, maybe you'll never know that maybe it will be for you. So it this business works for many people, everyday people, regardless of background, regardless of skills, regardless of education. Many are professionals like us, like Tita Ange, like me. We do have our own backstories, but why did we join this? Because there is something in it, and that this is legitimate. And what could go wrong?
Yeah.
If people are already successful here, then for sure, if we put our mind and effort here and time, definitely we will succeed too. So if you see this video, if you're watching this, there is a purpose for it. So just continue and explore our community, and you won't regret it. Salamat
Yeah.
po.
Yeah, yes, yeah. So those who are watching now, yes, don't delay now. If you able to see this webinar, maybe it's for you. Like
Mhm.
what Jed say, and I thank you so much, Jed. I'm very honored giving me a time as your being your guest today, and yeah, so I am so thankful you share some of your time today to be interviewed.
Maraming salamat po, Tita Angie. And it's really pleasure meeting you po. Thank you so much. This community is truly amazing. Truly amazing. Truly global. Talagang.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye.
okay,
Good
everyone.
to you. Bye.